Imagine creating a fully functional, beautiful website in just a few minutes without writing a single line of code. Sounds like magic, right? Well, thanks to AI, it's not magic. It's reality. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how anyone, yes, even beginners, can build a professional website using AI. Whether it's for your business, portfolio, blog, or online store, this guide will have you ready to launch in no time. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tools to use, how to design your pages, create content, and even optimize your site for speed and SEO, all with minimal effort. Plus, I'll reveal some hidden AI features that most people don't know about that can make your website look like it was designed by a professional agency in just a fraction of the time. Before we jump in, let's quickly understand why AI is changing the game. Traditionally, building a website meant learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and sometimes back-end languages like PHP or Python. It could take weeks or months for beginners. AI eliminates all that. Today, tools like ChatGPT, Wix AI, Bookmark AI, and Durable AI can generate fully functional websites in minutes. AI can 1. Design pages automatically using your content and preferences. 2. Write website copy that's persuasive and SEO friendly. 3. Generate images and icons tailored for your brand. 4. Optimize layouts for mobile and desktop without you lifting a finger. This isn't just convenience. It's a revolution for anyone who wants to build a professional online presence fast. Even with AI, planning is key. Ask yourself, what's the purpose of my website? Portfolio, blog, e-commerce? Who is my target audience? What pages do I need? Home, about, services, contact, blog. What style do I want? Modern, minimalist, colorful, corporate? Write these down. AI will follow your instructions. The more specific you are, the better the results. Grab a notebook or open a blank doc and jot down your website goals before moving forward. This small step will save you hours later. Now, let's pick our AI website builder. Here are the top options. 1. Wix AI. Extremely beginner-friendly, generates full websites with templates, text, and images. 2. Bookmark AI. Focuses on small business websites and offers easy drag-and-drop AI design. 3. Durable AI. Creates fully functional websites, including e-commerce, in under a minute. 4. Firedrop. Uses conversational AI to build your site interactively. Each has pros and cons. For beginners, I recommend Wix AI or Durable AI because they are fast and reliable. Tip: most of these tools offer free trials. Use them to experiment without spending money upfront. Step 1. Start a new website project. Open your chosen AI tool. Click Create Website or Start with AI. Step 2. Choose a template or style. AI will show templates based on your niche. Pick one close to your vision. Step 3. Input your content. Provide the AI with your business name, tagline, and brief description. AI generates pages automatically. Don't worry, you can edit later. Step 4. Generate images and graphics. Use AI image generators like DALL-E or Midjourney to create custom visuals. Upload them to your website or let the AI auto-generate graphics. Step 5. Customize layout, drag and drop sections if needed. Adjust colors, fonts, and spacing. Step 6. AI-powered SEO optimization. Many AI builders suggest meta descriptions, keywords, and image alt text automatically. This helps your site rank better in search engines. Step 7. Preview and test. Check mobile and desktop versions. Make sure buttons work and content is clear. Step 8. Publish your website. Choose a domain. AI tools often suggest free or premium options. Click Publish, and your website is live. Pause here and follow along on your screen. Trust me, seeing AI build your website live is like watching magic happen. AI isn't just for building, it can make your website smarter. AI chatbots. Tools like Tidio or ChatGPT plugins can automatically respond to visitors. AI content writers generate blog posts, product descriptions, and social media captions. Analytics and insights. AI predicts which pages will perform best and suggests improvements. These advanced features can give you a professional edge without hiring a developer. Even with AI, beginners make mistakes. Watch out for 1. Overloading pages with features, less is more. 2. Ignoring mobile optimization. Most visitors use smartphones. 3. Not reviewing AI content. Sometimes AI makes errors or generic text. 4. Skipping SEO steps. AI helps, but always double-check keywords and meta descriptions. Following these tips ensures your website looks professional and performs well. Interactive websites engage visitors longer. AI tools can help you add contact forms, subscription pop-ups, booking, or reservation widgets. interactive galleries, and slideshows. These small touches increase user engagement and conversions. Publishing is just the beginning. AI makes maintenance easy, automatic updates for design and security, content refresh with AI writers, performance monitoring with AI analytics, backup automation. Check your website weekly to make sure everything runs smoothly. Most AI website builders have free tiers, but for serious websites, paid plans unlock custom domains, e-commerce features, more storage and bandwidth, advanced SEO tools. Monetize your site with ads, affiliate marketing, or by selling products, services directly online. AI even helps you create ad copy or product descriptions. To wrap up, plan first, then let AI handle the heavy lifting. Customize, don't blindly follow AI suggestions. Optimize for mobile and SEO. Add interactive and monetization features gradually. Remember, AI is your assistant, not a replacement for creativity. Use it smartly, and you can launch websites in minutes that would normally take weeks. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and comment below which AI website builder you'll try first. I'll even share a free list of my top 5 AI website tools in the description. AI is transforming the way we create websites. With these tools, you can focus on what really matters: your content, your business, and your audience, while AI handles the rest. Start experimenting today, and who knows, you might launch your first website before this weekend's.